In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures as they're realizing some further selling pressure today. We're seeing them down for a second session, although well off the lows. The intraday low for the futures market, the March contract, which was 89.03, that is a 7-session low. Then we did come off that throughout the day, and now we're currently trading right around 91.30. So just down slightly on the day. And the other thing I do want to point out is that we are seeing rolling of positions from March to April, now with April becoming the most actively traded futures contract. Looking at some of the driving factors today, I think you can point out the real big storyline here the last couple of days outside of the situation with Russia is the Iranian supply. And there is talk now that Iran will be allowed to put more supply into the market. And that's really, I think, what's been the bigger driver here the last couple of days as far as some of the selling pressure we're seeing in WTI and in crude across in general across the globe. We'll see how long that plays out in the market if it actually manifests itself. But nonetheless, a little bit of selling pressure here, and I think it's contributed to some of these shifting narratives, and particularly the dynamics surrounding the potential for Iranian oil coming back into the market. So also, when you look at other trends today, I do want to point out that the rig counts were released today, and we did see a nice uptick once again this week in both gas rigs and oil rigs. Oil rigs increased by 4 this week after a big increase last week, another nice increase this week. So we're looking at active rigs right around 520 now. So that's an increase of 4 week over week. And when you look at gas rigs, we did see actually 6 new gas rigs come back online, or I should say six rigs become active this week, and that pushes the total up to 124 active rigs. So the total change for rig counts week over week was an increase of 10, 4 in oil and 6 in gas.